with me since 2016 when I first came here? Did y'all just get to know me now? Who's been with me from the very, very beginning? South Korea. I want to thank all y'all for coming back. I like to think that I've improved over the years. You know what? Fuck all that. Let's keep the party going, shall we? Tonight's all about me and you, South Korea. We're gonna experience the music like we haven't experienced it before. So if you came in with your best friend, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, whoever, sing this song.
You turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around.
No.
I don't wanna fight this.
No.
You know how to just make me
Hey, 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 hey. You call out 11:30 when you only wanna do me dirty. But I hit right back and you got that girl. Why you always wanna act like lovers? You never wanna be each other. I said don't look back, but I go right back. All the sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say the way,
You turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. Now I don't wanna fight this. You know how to just make me want you. Turn me on like a light switch when you're moving your body around and around. You got me in a tight grip. You know how to just make me want you, baby.
do you love me when you keep me guessing? When you leave and then you leave me stressing. What? But I can't say that when you fuck like that, no. Why you always wanna act like a lover's? Let me. I said don't look back, but I go right back. And all of a sudden I'm hypnotized. You're the one that I can't deny. Every time that I say
You turn me on